Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So if Valorant keeps getting stuck on the loading screen, don't worry, this usually happens because of the anti-cheat system or the mirror file issue. So in this video, we're going to walk you through how to fix it. So simply start by restarting your PC and running Valorant as an administrator. So to do this, simply right click on the Valorant shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Next, simply make sure Riot Vanguard is running on your PC. So to check, simply press Windows plus R at the same time, then type in services.msc. From there, you're then gonna have to check that Riot Vanguard is active. If it's not, you then have to install it using the Valorant installer. Now you can also try repairing the game files from the Riot Client. So this fixes any corrupted files that could be freezing the load. Finally, you can also check your internet connection, since unstable networks can make the game hang on loading. Now after doing this, Valorant should finally get past the loading screen and also get you back into your matches. And that's really it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.